What's up, guys? It's your girl Michelle back with another video. Today's video is a laundry day type of night. As you can see, we have tons and tons of laundry that we need to get tackled. Let's go ahead and say hello to the dogs because of course they will be all throughout this video like always. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. So I have two sets of sheets that I like to change out every week. So the other pair is dirty, as you could see earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this stuff off and get it washed as well. And every now and then I do like to wash my pillow covers that goes on my body pillow. Y'all know a girl has to watch TV while she's cleaning. So first I'm going to go ahead and wash my sheets because I want them to go ahead and get washed and dried so I can put them on the bed to go to bed because it is pretty late in this video. I had to bring some lights in here, y'all, because my dull light in there made everything look so yellow and made my sheets look dingy, which they really are not. So I had to go get some light to help a girl out. But if you are new to my channel, hello, how are you? My name is Michelle, and I like to make cleaning motivational videos as well as beauty videos. My beauty videos are posted on Wednesdays, but if you are not interested in beauty, then my cleaning videos are posted on Sundays.
Yeah.
So y'all, a long time ago in my old apartment, I got whiteout all over my nightstand and my dresser, and I cannot get it off. Like, I was trying here, but I started scraping into the wood and like chipping the paint off, so I'm gonna give up eventually. And you're gonna see me do it on my dresser as well, but yeah, I'm like ruining the paint now on the wood, so I just have to deal with it. But I was really trying. This is probably not the best tool to use to get the whiteout out, but that was the only thing I could think of that night. now I am cleaning my fan. Listen, it's been a long time since I cleaned this fan, if you cannot tell. Look at all that daggone dust. And I'm so crazy for doing it right here because dust was flying everywhere. You're going to see the dust particles, look, all in the video. But yeah, it is so bad, you guys. Like, I really had to get this thing, like, breathing, inhaling all that dust into your lungs is so gross. And I sleep with my fan every night. I don't care what the season is. I like to have my fan on. So the fact that I am inhaling all that gunk and dust just, oh my gosh, it just blows me. And my fan is not broke. It, like, can move like that. So that's why I was all wobbly. For all my old subbies, they know that those marks on the floor, they're hookah marks. I dropped the coals on my floor, and I've been meaning to get an area rug, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So yeah, I'm just dealing with the burn marks on the ground. I love these Downy boosters, you guys. It is a game changer to your laundry routine. Do you hear me? Like, you have got to buy the Downy kind of the scent boosters. So for those of you who are wondering why I still have the plastic on my box spring, because I knew eventually I was going to eventually upgrade to a California King. Yes, I know I'm small, but growing up, my little self always had a California King, or at least a King. So I knew in the future I would want to get a bigger bed and eventually possibly sell this furniture. So I did take it off the mattress just for my comfort, but I did want to leave it on the box spring again, just to keep it like new and let them be able to take the plastic off whenever I do decide to sell. And yes, I have one cotton pillowcase and one silk pillowcase. I like silk for my hair and my skin. My boyfriend does not like the way the satin. He does not like the way the satin pillowcases feel, so he preferred not to sleep without them. So that's why we have one satin pillowcase and one cotton, because I like them and he doesn't.
Yeah.
So that completes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Look at my babies posing for the camera. But until next time, bye.